Ever seen a hummingbird take a break and suddenly start hiccuping? You might think it's just taking a sip of nectar. But wait, these feathered friends can actually get the hiccups. Unlike us, they can't just drink a glass of water or hold their breath to stop it. When hummingbirds get the hiccups, it's all about their incredibly high metabolism. Up to 1,200 beats per minute will make hiccups happen, which adds a whimsical twist to their already zippy nature. Imagine a tiny, colorful bird vibrating and hiccuping mid-flight. It's a comical sight that reminds us that even the expert flyers have their clumsy moments. Who knew that little buzz of wings came with such a funny side?